Ever wondered what really happens to us after we take our last breath? Let's dive into the biological process that begins right after. When an individual passes away, the heart stops beating and the lungs cease to draw breath. This halt in activity means no more oxygen is transported through the blood. And crucially, no more oxygen reaches the body's cells. Without this essential element, cells begin to die, marking the start of a profound transformation. As eerie as it sounds, this is just the beginning of a new process. With no oxygen, our cells face a crisis. Imagine the bustling city of life inside your body suddenly plunged into darkness. Without oxygen, the cells, those diligent workers, find themselves in a dire situation. Oxygen is like the electricity that powers our cellular metropolis. Cut it off, and the essential functions start to halt. As cells lose their life-giving oxygen, they begin to die, a process known as necrosis. This isn't a silent event. Enzymes, once protectors and builders within each cell, now become agents of destruction. They start digesting the cell membranes, leading to the leakage of cellular contents into the surrounding tissues. This cascade of cellular destruction isn't just an internal affair. It impacts the body's ability to regulate itself. Temperature control, hormone production, and other regulatory systems wind down. It's as if the body's internal government has ceased operations, unable to maintain order and balance. This breakdown sets the stage for a more visible transformation. Ever heard of rigor mortis? It's quite the stiff situation. After the final breath, a fascinating yet eerie transformation begins in the body. Rigor mortis is the medical term for when muscles stiffen after death, typically setting in within 4 to 6 hours. It starts in the smaller muscles like those in the jaw and eyelids, and then spreads to the larger muscles. As time marches on, the body enters the decomposition stage. This is where our internal bacteria and enzymes, once crucial for survival, become the architects of breakdown. They start digesting cells from the inside out, effectively recycling the body back into the earth. Soft tissues break down, gases are released, and what was once a human form gradually melds back into the soil. Our bodies slowly become part of the earth again, in a natural cycle of life and death. So what have we uncovered in our journey beyond the last breath? We've delved into the cessation of vital functions, where breathing stops, the heart ceases to beat, and consciousness fades. We explored the cellular breakdown, a stage where cells begin to decompose due to lack of oxygen, leading to a cascade of biochemical processes. We've also witnessed the onset of rigor mortis, where muscles stiffen, and decomposition, where the body returns to the earth in a natural cycle. Each phase marks not just an end, but a profound transformation, showcasing how even in death there is movement and change. Though the thought of death often carries a shroud of mystery, understanding its process reminds us of the intricate balance of life.